Hey kings and queen, welcome. Today I'll be making beetroot juice with ginger. I already washed the beetroot, slice it up in small sizes, and the ginger. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put the beetroot into the blender and just blend it away. So not gonna put too much. I'm gonna add the ginger last. So I'm gonna put two good size piece of ginger. Then I'm gonna add a glass of water. Then I'm gonna cover the lid. Then I'm gonna pour it in this container, and then when I finish, I strain it. Then I'm gonna put some more beetroots and ginger. Look at the size ginger. Then I'm gonna put a glass of water. So 1 glass of water. Then cover the lid of the blender and blend. So I'm just gonna remove the lid and repeat the same procedure. I'm just gonna pour it out in this container until finished. I blend everything. So I'm gonna put some more beetroot into the blender. I'm just making enough to fill this jug. Not making more than that. So I'm gonna be pouring in a glass of water again. So, so 1 glass of water to the blender. Alright guys. Yes guys, so I'm just gonna cover the lid and then I'm gonna repeat the same procedure. Okay, so I'm just removing the lid. Repeat the same procedure for everything into this. So everything can hold. So I'm just gonna strain this off camera and then I'll come back to you guys. So yes guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna sweeten the beetroot juice. So this is the sugar that I'm using. Worthy Park Estate, the Jamaican cane sugar. See? That's the sugar I'll be using. Let me just go rinse this off and be back. So I'm just gonna use the knife to pierce the bag open. Then I pour the sugar into the juice. And I have some in this container as well. I'm just gonna put a little sugar to sweeten that amount. I'm just sweeten from this one first. Look at this, the rich it be. Just gonna add a little water on this one. So I'm just gonna stir it until everything. Then I'm gonna put it in some containers. These are some small containers that I have. I'm gonna pour it. This full up a little bit too much, so I gotta see. How am I gonna work this one out? I don't know how I'm gonna work that one out, but just gonna put a couple on this. So now I get this full, and then this what see? Look at that. That's the amount that I get, and I still could have added water to this, but I don't want to add any water to it. I want it to be thick and rich. That's how I like my beetroot juice to be. So I'm just gonna put away the sugar. Then I'm gonna put everything inside the fridge. I'm gonna put it in the fridge and get it cool. So when I finish doing my cooking, then I will dish everything out and show you guys. But for now, thank you guys so much for watching this video. So stay tuned for part 2.
Let go. You decide if you're ever gonna let me know. Yeah.